Welcome, folks. In our rapidly changing world, digital transformation isn't just a catchy buzzword. It's a real, tangible necessity, and it's the driving force behind innovation across various industries. Think healthcare, banking, fintech, telecom, and manufacturing. They're all embracing it to stay competitive and provide better services. And at the heart of this transformation lie two powerful pillars: the cloud and DevOps. Cloud computing is the enabler of this transformation. It's like the secret sauce of this transformation. Imagine it is an endless canvas of virtual infrastructure, a vast playground where businesses create their digital futures. But it's not just a foundation, it's a springboard for innovation. The cloud emerged when businesses dreamed of expanding beyond geographical boundaries. It brought a new era of streamlined communication, connecting employees and the teams through unified platforms. This seamless communication translated into significant time and cost savings while boosting individual and companies' performance. And with the introduction of cloud-based databases like AWS, Azure, Google, and others, a new era of data empowerment was ushered in. Businesses found themselves swimming in a sea of data, diving deep to discover valuable insights and evaluate performance strategies. Now, let's shift our focus to DevOps. It's like the cloud's dynamic partner, complementing it perfectly. DevOps accelerates software delivery, fosters innovation, reduces operating costs, and enables organizations to say goodbye to the headache of new ideas. It's the driving force behind delivering value to the end users quickly and efficiently. But here's where the magic really happens. When the cloud and DevOps come together, it's like a symphony of possibilities. It's a 1-2 punch that propels digital transformation forward. Ever wondered how the cloud supercharges your digital transformation journey? It's like a rocket fuel for innovation, enabling cutting-edge technologies like big data analytics, deep learning, augmented reality, robotics, and the Internet of Things. The cloud simplifies IT systems, letting businesses focus on what really matters, connecting with customers through innovative cloud-powered revenue models. But that's not all. The cloud isn't just a storage solution, it's a collaboration powerhouse. It empowers companies to access, extract, and evaluate data from anywhere, supercharging productivity and communication. Plus, it simplifies the meeting schedule and video communication, making teamwork a breeze. Now, when it comes to cost effectiveness, many businesses grapple with the high costs of maintaining on-premises IT systems, which can slow down their digital transformation journey. But with the cloud's pay-as-you-go model, businesses only pay for what they use, with no massive upfront investment and no more headaches of server updates. Flexibility is the name of the game. The cloud serves up essential resources like interfaces, network capabilities, and processing power, supercharging business flexibility and adaptability. Say goodbye to the headache of overloaded and over-provisioned IT networks. The cloud lets businesses swiftly respond to changing customer needs. When it comes to security, the cloud has not only evolved significantly in terms of functionality, but also in terms of security. Surprisingly, data theft from cloud servers is markedly lower compared to the self-hosted servers. Advanced encryption features add an extra layer of protection to the data hosted on cloud servers. Moreover, data is continuously backed up and can be swiftly restored during emergencies, including outages and natural calamities. In the era of digital transformation, it's all about adaptability, innovation, and cost efficiency. And the cloud ensures that businesses can swiftly offer customized computing resources, including networking, processors, data, applications, and services, all at your fingertips with minimal administrative hassle. With the cloud as your co-pilot, there's virtually no limit to what you can achieve. So hop on board and join the journey to a digitally transformed future where the businesses not only survive, but thrives and excels. Now let's switch gears and talk about DevOps. DevOps is all about blending different aspects of a company's structure, from how they think to how they work and manage tech. The result? Services and applications that can be delivered at warp speed. This means product lines evolve and improve way faster than in traditional setups. It's like fast track to the tech transformations. By the way, the DevOps market was worth about $6.78 billion in 2020. But here's the exciting part. It's projected to hit a whopping $57.9 billion by 2030. That's some serious growth with a staggering CAGR of 24.2%. Talk about taking a tech world by storm. But here's the beauty of it. DevOps and digital transformation are like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together together perfectly. When you combine the tech breakthroughs of digital transformation with DevOps approach, you're in for some fantastic benefits. First, workplace performance gets a significant boost. In a non-DevOps environment, there is more room for hiccups, and one big reason is the lack of team communication. But DevOps steps in, automating tasks, reducing errors, and making your team happier, more relaxed, and armed with more brain power for creative thinking. Speaking of the creative thinking, DevOps can supercharge innovation. By automating manual tasks, your team can focus on what they do best. With innovation from digitization and the efficiency of DevOps, it's a match made in tech heaven. And guess what? You can also save some serious cash. Combining digital transformation tech with DevOps streamlines processes, making it easier to experiment with new ideas. You can discover what works and what doesn't, making your digital transformation journey far more effective. DevOps isn't just about technology, it's a mindset shift that boosts productivity and saves time. In the world that's changing at lightning speed, organizations need to innovate quickly. DevOps is driving force that speeds things up and kicks inefficiencies to the curb. So, in a nutshell, DevOps and digital transformation are the dynamic duo that can supercharge your journey into the digital world. It's time to embrace the change and keep your business not just in the race, but ahead of the curve. The cloud and DevOps, the two powerhouses, are reshaping the digital realm. But have you ever wondered how these two forces combine to lay the cornerstone of digital transformation? Well, get ready, because we're about to embark on a journey that reveals how this dynamic partnership ignites innovation and paves the way for your growth. Together, they're like the architects of the digital future. So stick with us as we dive into this synergy and uncover how it fast tracks our journey to innovation and growth. The horizon is bright, and it's painted with the cloud and DevOps. First up, we have scalability, the cloud superpower. Imagine this: your business can instantly expand or contract its resources, seamlessly adapting to shifting demands. And here's why DevOps steps in, ensuring that applications are finely tuned for peak performance, all without the headache of over-provisioning. Now let's talk about automation. It's like the heartbeat of DevOps, and the cloud provides the tools. Those once manual and error-prone tasks are now a breeze. Thanks to automation, the result: improved efficiency and fewer human errors. It's a win-win. Speed and agility. The cloud's agility and DevOps focus on continuous delivery. What a dynamic duo. They trim development cycles, ensuring frequent, high-quality releases. The agility allows businesses to adapt swiftly to market changes, keeping them one step ahead of the competition. In the world of DevOps, collaboration is king, and the cloud fosters it beautifully. Teams can seamlessly work together in the cloud environment, sharing resources, information, and tools. This enhances cross-functional collaboration, ensuring everyone's on the same page. Teamwork at its finest. Last but not least, there's cost effectiveness. The cloud's pay-as-you-go model aligns perfectly with DevOps principles. Resources are used efficiently, optimizing costs. DevOps practices are the detectives that identify and eliminate wasteful processes, making this partnership a wise and cost-effective choice. So as you can see, the cloud and DevOps aren't just changing the game, they're setting a new standard for digital transformation. The future belongs to those who embrace this dynamic duo. Get ready for innovation, growth, and a brighter tomorrow. Are you ready to harness the power of cloud and DevOps for your digital transformation journey? The future of your business awaits, and it's exciting, efficient, and full of opportunities. So don't just adapt, thrive in the digital age.